Add a robot to tend your CNC machine and productivity and throughput increase. Labor costs decrease. That's the obvious change. But there are changes that ripple through your entire business in a very positive way. You can quote faster and more accurately because the robot will be there working, so you have a much better handle on costs and timing. Getting new customers is faster with a robot because you can keep your delivery promises. Some companies even mandate doing business with machine shops using robots because of the reliability. Recruiting young workers gets easier because workers recognize your machine shop will be there in the future. You can upskill your team. Your former machine shop operator can now do something to contribute more value to the product and be happy they don't have that same boring, thankless job. To learn more about how easy it is to go from human hands to robotic rippers in just 5 days, call us at 866-952-9020 and then press 1 to talk with a human. RoboJob-USA, first in CNC automation.